Wanna know how to use image enhancer in BeFunky? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, go to your favorite browser and type in befunky.com. And make sure you are signed in as well. You should be welcome to the dashboard. Go to photo editor first and then head towards open and select any of these to import your picture. Now once you imported your picture, this should appear. Now, in order to enhance it, just simply click on this edit button on the left side right here. And on top, you can see image enhancer. Click on it. And here you can see the image enhancer AI has enhanced this image. And that's it. It's as easy as that. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.